Watch this video to learn how to customize the standard invoice template before you add your first invoice in Xero. Select Sales, then click Invoices. Click New Invoice. Before creating your first invoice, Xero prompts you to set up your default invoice template. Xero adds the logo and the address from the organization details. You can use the scroll bar to increase or decrease the zoom on your logo if needed. Click Edit Address if you want to include a different address on your sales invoices. Give your customers more ways to pay by adding credit and debit card payments. Select the checkbox to add a payment advice to let your customers know your preferred method of payment. Once you're happy, click Save to confirm the changes. Now you have a professional-looking invoice to send to your customers.